Hey, hi, welcome on this channel. Here we review on a weekly basis ecom marketing best practices, specifically for the ecom industry. So I'm glad you're here. And today, the episode is a bit special. We're going to review and speak about the jewelry industry and specifically about email marketing. And we're going to look at for three of the best emails and newsletters you should send as a jewelry brand and you should send. Absolutely. So, and for this, we're going to review a few examples as well. It's going to be a great episode. I have a great setup ready for this. And yeah, so my name is Mehdi. I'm the founder of this channel. I'm the founder also of a platform called Panoramata that actually allows you to monitor what your competitors are doing instantly and find endless inspiration for e-commerce marketing. So obviously, we're going to use the platform for this today, but it's a great way to actually showcase you what you can achieve with the platform as well. And we're going to look at the jewelry industry right now. I'm going to start actually right away. So yeah, and what we're going to do is that we're going to look so at a few brands. So here I have a dashboard for some of the jewelry brands that we don't have on the platform. And the brands that I'd like to review today are Kimai, Pere Paola as well, and Mejuri. All right here. But yeah, still see here you have a lot of examples of emails sent by some jewelry brands recently. So today is 25th of March, so we're into the spring sale, of course. So see, spring, bloom. But our goal today is to check the three main newsletter you should absolutely have as a jewelry brand. Let's go. First one is Kimai. All right, so Kimai, there's one thing that I absolutely love about Kimai. It's how they do manage to actually send emails that are, I'd say, guides or how-to emails actually. So here you have a how-to layer up. Here you have a care guide for your jewelry. Here you have a what to wear for your hot date, and they're actually sending plenty of emails like this one. I'm just selecting those four ones so we can actually have a look at them together. So how to layer up our necklace styling guide. And this email is a great email, and it's an email you should absolutely have to actually give advice to your audience about how they can use your products. It doesn't have to be only about jewelry, but even in jewelry, it's super interesting. So it's how can you wear the jewels actually. Then the second example is more about how should you clean your jewelry. Here you go. And it's actually a great email. It's a great email to send as a jewelry brand because that's always a question you might have. Every brand might be different. You're never sure. So it's cool to be sure at this point. All right. Here you have what to wear for your hot date. It's a bit less serious, but still, get ready to impress someone for Valentine's Day. And this one is why Kimai is the way to go, which is a bit different than the other ones. It's more about the mission, but if it's something that is super present within your brand, be sure to send emails about it. All right, that was for Kimai, mostly about how to's and guides. The second email marketing strategy I wanted to review is the one from Pede Paola. All right, so Spanish brand, I believe. And on this brand, what you do have is the lifestyle mostly. Everything about the lifestyle is something that is super interesting in this brand. So I'm just gonna open a few ones, but basically the first one is the one that I want to show you as a fashion brand in general, jewelry or perfume actually brand in particular. You want to be sure that you can include your audience within your universe, your team, your brand actually, and your branding should be super present. And Pede Paola is doing that in a super good way. To be fairly honest, it's super effective, and you can see here an email that is just about the living in Pede Paola way, and it's a great email. To be fairly honest, so of course they're showing some products, but here you go. That's an email that you should have as a jewelry brand, 100%, no doubt. And you do have a few more that are always, a bit lifestyle. So I'm gonna pass quickly on those, but it's always the same RD. All right, on top of Pede Paola, the last kind of newsletter. So we've seen how-tos and guides. We've seen lifestyle, and of course, the last one that you should absolutely have as a jewelry brand, but Mijuri is doing them in a particularly good way, is emails about your products and how to highlight and promote them. And you can see that they're doing it in an interesting way. They're not like just here our product, our new hoop, our new bracelet. They're not just only saying that, they're always layering the message in another way. So here is build your foundation, a curated collection of our most versatile hoops. So see, it's about hoops, but it's not about hoops themselves. It's about what the audience, what your clients can do with them. And it's this for every email that they're sending. And it's a great kind of, product promotion newsletter to send as a jewelry brand. Okay, you can buy a new jowl, but what can you do with a jowl? So the hoop destination, mood boosting hoops for all. Great email as well. This one is in favor of being extra with hoops. Well, what's this one? The art of deflection, evil eye amulets. All eyes on you. All right. And it's the same for almost every product email that they're sending, more to layer, closer look at your new chain and harms. They're not just sending, oh, new. I mean, the subject line for a lot of jewelry brand would have been, look at our new chain and charms. That's not what Major is saying. They're saying more to layer, and the email is not directly about this, but they're turning their message in an interesting way. So it's a great ad you should have as well in your email marketing strategy. Okay, all right, that was all for today. Hope it was helpful. If it's not done already, subscribe to the channel. Every week, we're sending you best practices for the e-commerce industry. And yeah, hope to hear from you soon. Hit me in the comments, connect with me on LinkedIn. And yeah, glad to have met you. Glad to have hosted this video. And talk soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.